Watla katarik election 4 benar satya, Henry kejingelap election Gambegre constituency kalatnem baha, hakabaki nong yalam na kiseng sign perthei baper, kamtam ke NPP, TMC bat Congress, kilatur man kasngi. Habakran menta kasngi kalai pho tarik na lur ajar pesau, Menteri Sorkar ubadiru unong yalam ke NPP Marcuise and Marak, ula kamru baka Congress kan sajak Kyrteng, hakatika constituency, hakani ke election kaban salong. Ke NPP kadai ke bayalam ya ke Sorkar mentah ke jela, kat ba ke Kongres bat ke TMC, kidai ki basyong hakal yang persya, bat ula ong baki pat ba kim sengo tenat di Kyrteng ke Kongres, bat kat kum ke jingtip jong u, ke jingya khun ke lak banlong, bat ke TMC bat ke NPP. Ke Gambegre constituency kala sat thali hadian ba usaleng sangma ula job na ke Kongres, ula resign no hadian ba ula job kum UMP ke Turah. Marcuise ula ong baka jingalap election kathanem baha Gambegre menta hak bagi menteri sorkar kentup mau kilahiar bun sien syakati ke constituency nalor menteri rangba konrad sangma. Ula ong baki pat ba kila start baha menta bat kila tip ya ke politik bat kitip menta baka NPP kadan life wengut ki MLA bat kin khamno syaka party ke badan hakal yang sensyar.
Well, with regard to Gambegre, party campaign has already started. We are getting good response. Even myself also have gone there several times. Even Chief Minister is also campaigning. Several other party leaders are also campaigning on the ground. So we are getting good response. Yeah, actually, the candidate they have put up, people are not happy with that candidate, especially the Congress candidate. What I'm learned from the constituency, from the ground zero. And yes, you are right. There'll be a fight between TMC also. So it's a fight now. Let's see. It's a elections. Till the last vote is counted, we can never say anything about the elections. But we are also very hopeful of winning this time. But as I say, we are keeping our fingers tight. See, basically, people also knows the politics very well. In whatever may be the strategy they are putting in, but then the numbers it shows in the assembly now. Presently, the NPP is having 31 MLAs of NPP alone after the merging of the three Congress MLAs, and also in the ruling we are 50 MLAs with us. So practically in opposition there are only 9 MLAs with them now. So seeing this situation, people are quite, enthusiastic to follow for the ruling party. Though they are trying very hard, but I feel in the ground level also people are know very well to understand the politics in the state. Yeah, they are having a good support because the TMC candidate is a MDC now, and there are few MLAs with them, and that is the reason why they are giving a fight there.